To make the Google Form quiz from Word file, the first step is to keep all the questions and the answers ready in a particular format. First line will be the question text. The following lines will have the options. One option in one line. The correct answer will be marked by star mark either at the beginning or at the end of the correct option. One line gap must be maintained between two questions. Each of the MCQ will be of 1 point or marks that will be automatically set by the script. This method cannot copy the images to the Google form. It has to be manually uploaded after the Google form is generated. Once the question file is ready, we need to do a one-time process. Go to the website cbsebiology4u.com and click on the Tools for Teachers. Then click on How to make a Google Form quiz from a Word file automatically. It will open the article with the link to the Google Docs that we need to make the quiz. Click on View Google Doc link. Once the Google Docs opens, you can see the sample format in which the questions and answers should be formatted. You can also directly type the questions and answers here. Go to File and click on Make a Copy. You can name the file and also set location to store this file in Google Drive. Once you have set the location to store the file, click on Make a Copy. It will open a new Google Docs file. Here we have to delete the existing questions and then add our questions. We will copy and paste the questions that we had prepared earlier. Here is our formatted questions and answers. We will copy all these questions and then paste in the Google Doc file. Ensure that the Google Doc file is properly formatted. If required, make changes to the format before proceeding. Next, go the Quiz Tools in the menu bar and click on Create Google Form Quiz. You will have to authenticate for the first time. Click on OK and then select the Google account you want to use. Click on Advanced and then click on Go to Docs to Google Form Generator. Click on Select All. Then click on Continue. You will get authentication successful message and then the Google form will start generating. You will be able to see the progress in the sidebar. Once the process is complete, you will get the link to the Google form. You can modify the Google form as per your need. All the questions will have the answer key already set along with the points. You can check the total points in the form. Next time you want to make the Google Form quiz, simply open the Google Drive where you have saved the Google Docs. Open the Google Docs and paste the new questions in proper format. Make the questions ready and open this Google Docs and paste. Just for example, I am deleting the first two questions. Now go to the Quiz Tools in the menu bar and click on Create Google Form Quiz and the sidebar will open and show the progress of the process. Once completed, it will give the link. You can see that the total point is now 3 as we had 3 questions in the Google Docs. You will find all the Google Form files in the same location as that of the Google Docs. This is how you can easily generate the Google Form quiz from Google Docs or Word files.